I wasn't there for my daughter. And she may expose me on one of these podcasts one day and say, Daddy, you're the reason I can't find good black love because you never validated me as a woman.
To have a conversation with my father, my biological father. Hey guys, so allegedly this is Dr. Umar's biological daughter. This lady is also stating that she also wants to find her other sister using the help of the internet. Now there's mixed points of view on this. Some people are saying, oh, this is fake. Some people are saying this is real because it shows that Dr. Umar isn't responding to her. Now this is all alleged because I ain't trying to be sued, but there is even more news allegedly that he has more children in Ghana.
I'm not going to tell you in a word of a lie. Dr. Umar, long lost daughter, then popped on the scene and said, my father abandoned me and my mother. Then on top of this, it was supposed to be allegedly that was his daughter. No, it is his daughter. Birth daughter, blood daughter. A daughter that he helped conceive and that he left and abandoned. On top of that, it's not one, it's two daughters, plural. And it is, again, I state his daughters. Now, here's my thing. Dr. Umar did an interview and he stated, and I quote, I decided not to marry my daughter's mother. I got her impregnated and she felt entitled that I married her. Was she wrong, Dr. Umar? You the same person who advocate for uplifting the black community, the black household, the black queen, the black king. So why are you doing a disservice to the black people that you are advocating and pushing a message?
Hello guys, welcome back to Trending Pulse Worldwide, where we break down the latest viral stories. I hope you're doing great. So today we are talking about the allegations making waves online. Dr. Umar Johnson, the well-known Pan-Africanist and educator, is being called out by a woman on TikTok who claims to be his daughter. Now, we have to be clear, this is all alleged, and Dr. Umar has strongly denied the claims, but that hasn't stopped social media from reacting. So let's get into it.
Dr. Umar's daughter came on this internet and called him out for being a deadbeat, and all he could do was throw out his credentials. I am the most educated, the most requested, the most just throwing out nothing but his credentials, right? Like that got anything to do with being a deadbeat. How educated you are or how popular you are has nothing to do with if you're a deadbeat or not. Anybody else catch that, or was that just me? I just feel like Dr. Umar just pulled a Philly ninja move. I said it. Typical Philly ninja move. Be a deadbeat, get called up on being a deadbeat, but then want to say me and your mother could talk privately or publicly and we could talk. It was your mother's fault. I got all the paperwork. But if you are the most educated man, the most popular, the most requested man, and with all the education, you didn't know how to navigate getting rights overseeing your daughter?
Dr. Umar's daughter just got on here and said, hey, your favorite black activist is a deadbeat father. He didn't even stay with the black queen that he chose to impregnate, right? Now, this is all alleged, but she says she has a DNA test proof. Dr. Umar, listen, if this is true, you deserve 1,000 lashes. In all seriousness, though, we gonna need her to drop that paperwork. We gonna need her to drop that DNA test paperwork because we can't just go off no rumor. But if Dr. Umar Johnson is a deadbeat father, never been there.
Dr. Umar has 2 baby mamas and he goes on everybody's platform shaming black men for being deadbeats. Just for y'all to find out that he is a deadbeat. Y'all been taking Dr. Umar seriously? When I be seeing these Pan-African men, black men that just be so pro-black, I'll be like, oh yeah, he ain't shit in real life. That man don't even take his own advice. He don't even go by his own rules. 2 baby mamas. He gets on everybody's platform shaming black men for abandoning their children, yet he abandoned his own. Why do y'all be shocked? I don't be shocked. I always took Dr. Umar for entertainment. I never took him seriously. I don't know why y'all did.
So what I'm gathering is about the Dr. Umar situation is that no matter what, he should have been there for his child. No matter what, he should have never left his child when you don't know all the facts about it. So every father in history, no matter the race, always just has to be there for their child, which in actuality you do, but we're not going to hold some women accountable for the things that they do to men that are mentally traumatizing, physically traumatizing, and using kids to weaponize and villainize the fathers. So we don't take that into consideration. Like it never happens. Like women being abusive to men is not a thing. When I'm actually a survivor of domestic abuse myself, it just never happens, right? No accountability.
A lot of you men really, really, really need to heal some of the trauma that you've been carrying around all your lives. When people post certain things that is going on in their families, in their lives on social media, I don't make a lot of content about that because I don't know those people. Who am I to judge a situation for most of the time, a 60-second clip? And I say that in reference to Dr. Umar's daughter getting on here and saying that he's never really been a part of her life. In my mind, that was the prime time for men to step up and hold this man accountable for not being in his daughter's life. But the first thing a lot of you men decided to do was blame the mother. It's the mother's fault. Without knowing the situation, without knowing Dr. Umar personally, without having spoken to his daughter, your very first inclination, it's the mother's fault. I'm so sorry for what your parents did to you, for what your mother did to you, for your fathers walking out of your lives and making you believe it was your mother's fault, whatever the situation may be. But it's you very same men that will blame the mothers and scream women need to hold women accountable. You had an opportunity to hold another man accountable and you chose to bash the mother.
Now, at this point, the internet is completely divided. Some people are convinced that this woman is really Dr. Umar's daughter, and others think this is nothing more than a clout chase. And then there are those who just don't know what to believe. Well, amidst this controversy, Dr. Umar Johnson has addressed these allegations through various platforms, including live sessions and posted videos. In his response, he challenges the authenticity of the claims and emphasizes his commitment to his family responsibilities. So let's delve into his statements where he addresses the accusations and the surrounding discourse.
Thank you for recognizing a clout chaser when you see one. Thank you for recognizing a clout chaser when you see one. Is there a reason why the mother didn't join her for the video?
I need y'all to stay focused. I appreciate those of y'all who are standing, fighting for me. I appreciate the love, but we're going to let all the negativity cycle through. We're not feeding into it no more. Positive vibrations. We're in the new year. Black History Month just ended. This is Black March. Positive vibrations. That's all we're going to do. Everybody who want to throw this and throw that and let them do it. I'm not worried about that. Let them do it. We're going to do what we got to do. You feel me? So everybody stay focused. Everybody stay blessed. And we're going to do what we need to do. We got to build, y'all. We got to build. Stay focused. Don't let the evil take us.
Now, aside from all that back and forth, some people have their own take on this situation. One person online shared her opinion, saying that the alleged daughter seems more focused on the attention she's getting rather than actually reconnecting with Dr. Umar or his family. Let's take a look at what she had to say.
Baby, I just seen a video. Dr. Umar's daughter saying, I'm not talking unless you giving me land at $20,000 or more for an interview to destroy her daddy, to sandalize his name. Okay, she want $3,500 to $10K an interview. Y'all remember she made that first video and she said, I'm only doing this. I'm not doing this to bash the guy. I'm only doing this because I want to talk to him and I want to meet his other daughter. Now she want $3,500 to $10K an interview. She wants y'all to follow her on all her pages, watch her videos, like her videos. She was screaming about mind your business, even though she brought this shit to the internet. Mind your business because it don't pay you, it pays her. She's famous now, apparently. That's what she said. And I was like, she did all this shit with malicious intent just basically, I said he trying to do shit to help the black community. She doing malicious shit to exploit the black community for her own personal gains. She want money, she want clout, she want fame, she wants y'all to follow her. I'm definitely gonna block her because she on there screaming about she famous now. I said, honey, she said she doing too much, basically. That first video, I said this was all calculated, all the way down to that text that she sent him that she knew he wasn't going to respond to, that she was going to use for the video. Everything was calculated, malicious, and it's just low down and dirty. So y'all go ahead and get her a little 35K to 10K an interview to go around and destroy her daddy's image.
So, I'm just wondering, is this woman really Dr. Umar's daughter? Or is this just another internet controversy that will fade away? She claims to have a DNA test, and now people are just waiting to see if she's really actually going to reveal it. So until then, all we can do is wait and see how this unfolds. What do you all think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trending stories. See you in the next one. Bye.